A .rar file, also known as a RAR file, is a compressed data container that holds one or more other files and folders inside of it. In your web browser, navigate to 7-zip.org. Download the .exe file associated with your operating system. I'm downloading the 64-bit version because I'm running the 64-bit version of Windows 10. Click Save File to save the 7-zip installer to your Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, double-click on the file that starts with 7z to run the installer. If the destination folder looks good, click Install. After a short installation process, 7-zip is ready to use. And here it is in the Start menu. Let's set up 7-zip to automatically associate itself with RAR files. With 7-zip open, navigate to the Tools menu and choose Options. Under the System tab, highlight RAR, then press the left plus button to add 7-zip as the default application for opening RAR files for your user. Press the right plus button to make 7-zip the default application for every user on this computer. Going forward, anytime you try to open a RAR file, the 7-zip application will automatically open. I could just double-click this RAR file on my desktop and it opens in 7-zip. Now click Extract. You can choose where to copy the contents of the RAR file. I'm copying mine to the desktop. When you're ready, click OK. My files are no longer compressed. Now those RARs won't make you roar.